sector of the day, and there was Pharma. The Nifty Pharma index tumbled nearly 2%. Vinny's joining in with the details. Vinny, what were the triggers for the sector to underperform?
Yeah, so what we are seeing that reports are suggesting, and this is from agency reports, where U.S. Center for Medicare and Medicaid had released a preliminary list of 101 generic drugs, and these drugs will be available for no more than $2 for the month's supply to these under the Medicare channel, which is there and which they supply drugs in the U.S. market. Now, according to this, the list has some of the names like penicillin is there, lithium is there, albuterol is there, which is for an asthma inhaler. There are drugs for high cholesterol in this, blood pressure, and other chronic diseases and conditions are also included in this. So yes, we're seeing that this agency is seeking a feedback following its pilot launch, and they are expected to start this as early as Jan 2027. Now they aiming to test a simplified approach for offering low-cost generic drugs, and this can improve furthermore in terms of medication adherence in the global markets. So what they want to focus on and what analysts are highlighting, there's a bit of a clarity that they're still seeking in terms of whether this is going to be a direct tender procurement of medicines, then maybe a possibility of an impact that could come in on the Indian pharma companies, and that is what is causing some bit of a pressure. While some of the analysts have also highlighted that this is maybe to maintain the final retail price at which the drugs are sold in the US markets. That is the main reason that they want to manage that price, because the middlemen are charging a lot of margins over the price that they're buying it from manufacturers, so Indian pharma companies. It's not to stop the cost for Indian pharma companies, but maybe some bit of an impact is what analysts are highlighting, but largely not too much in terms of an impact that we could be seeing going forward. This is maybe a sentimental move that we're seeing. More clarity is something that we're surely awaiting, though.
Indeed, sentiment took a knock today. Thanks a lot, Vinny, for joining in and giving us those insights in terms of a probable reason why the pharma stocks are under pressure. Shilpa, quick